Hey, what's up everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm bringing you a pro tip. We're going to talk about your car's AC system. So it never fails. As soon as the season changes, people turn their AC system on and they get hot air or just not blowing very cold, and they take it to a friend in the backyard or a shop that doesn't know what they're doing. And they'll say, oh, you just need a pound of Freon. So they charge you for a pound of Freon and send them on their way. So here's your pro tip. If your car is low on Freon, it's because you have a leak. Your car's Freon is made to go from liquid to gas over and over and over again for years. Let me show you what the most common cause of a leak is. So this is my example car. This customer here goes somewhere, not sure where he went, and they told him just needed Freon. And I put the gauges on and confirmed it was definitely low on Freon. And I asked the guy, I said, did anybody check it? He said, no, the Freon is just worn out. So I showed the guy, got my sniffer out, and right under that compressor, right here, it's leaking out, right here. And what happens is, over a period of time, it's got oil, road debris, everything all over it, and it wears your items out. Oil is the worst thing for AC lines. When they get on there, it just starts eating away at it. So that Freon that's passing through on the inside over a period of time, it's gonna seep out. So just remember this, Freon doesn't go in on its own. So if you see power steering leaking, transmission leaking, oil leaking, and they're leaking onto those lines, fix that problem, because if not, you're gonna have AC problems down the road. All right guys, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.